Good day mga district, this is John again from Johndam District, and for today's video guys, another application tayo kung saan ka pwede kumita online. So by the way guys, kahit i-research itong application na to, legit na legit to at sigurado rin kikita kayo depende sa mga tasks na makukomplete ninyo. Ang cash out dito guys ay walang iba kundi through GCash or Maya. So tara guys, introduce ko na sa inyo yung application at tignan nyo na rin kung ano yung itsura niya at napakadili lang gamit nito dahil user-friendly yung application. Kaya tara, umpisa na natin! Okay guys, so pag-usapan muna natin kung paano kayo kikita sa application na to. So first things first guys, maraming option para kumita kayo dito. So the first option is actually to answer surveys. And kung lagi kayo nahihirapan mag-answer ng mga surveys or lagi kayo na-disqualified, I would recommend for you guys to check the video description ng video na ito. Ilalagay ko dun yung link para sa mga tips and tricks sa pag-a-answer ng survey. So guys, other than answering survey, pwede rin kayong mag-earn dito using like in-store product review. So for example, yung mga in-store product review, maglalagay lang kayo kung ano yung mga feedback nyo when it comes to the specific product that they have. Meron din guys mga in-house or indoor videos na kailangan nyo i-shoot. So what you just need to do is follow the script. Like for example, nakalagay doon, take a video of you handling this specific product. Yung mga ganun guys. So simpleng task lang at pwede na kayo makapag-earn dito. Okay guys, napakadami pang ways para kumita kayo dito online. Depende sa mga task na i-complete nyo. So by the way guys, after completing a specific task, makakakuha kayo ng coins. And then meron din mga task wherein makakakuha kayo ng spin ticket. So sa spin ticket, dito makakakuha kayo ng iba't ibang prizes na pwede nyong makuha. And of course guys, i-introduce ko na sa inyo yung application, pakita ko na yung interface. So guys, ito pa lang una nyo makikita pag ito-download nyo na yung application, kailangan nyo lang mag-register dito. Siyempre guys, to log in or register, click nyo lang yung login or register. And then after that, mapupunta kayo sa page nito. And then you just need to click register. And then after that, you need to enter your personal information. Make sure guys to complete the profile ha. After nyan guys, click nyo lang yung register. And then next thing to do is to accept the terms and condition. After you accept yung terms and condition, it will be asking for your email address and phone number that you need to validate. After nyan guys, pag na-complete nyo na yung registration, then mapupunta kayo sa page na ito. So what you can see, on the go, click nyo lang yung continue. And for the on the go task, there are no missions yet available. So guys, what you need to do is to click nyo tong at home. So guys, makikita nyo sa at home page yung kung magkano yung pwede nyo kitain, ilang coins yung pwede nyo makuha, at ilang number of spins yung pwede nyo makuha. Yung sa spins guys, makikita nyo yan dito sa may game, sa may gitnang application, gitnang icon. And then dyan, click nyo lang yung spin and then may makukuha kayong possible items dyan. By the way guys, nakalimutan kong banggitin yung application. Yung application nga pala guys ay walang iba kundi ang hassle na you can download on Play Store or App Store. And that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. If you have any comment suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest video. So, see ya!